Welcome to the best pick. The best table with sink is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of equipment you can add to your kitchen, workshop, or even your garage, offering a convenient and integrated solution for washing, prepping, and cleaning tasks all in one compact unit, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maximize efficiency and functionality in their workspace. Number 5. Topeakmart Wood Potting Bench with Sink. Crafted from 100% natural fir wood, this potting bench offers exceptional strength and stability for all your gardening needs. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the elements for long-lasting outdoor use. Featuring a removable sink, this workstation makes messy gardening tasks a breeze. Easily detach it for cleaning or use it for watering, washing, and transplanting without soiling your garden. Keep your tools and supplies secure with the thoughtful back baffles on the tabletop and shelves. Rubber pads not only protect your floors but also enhance stability, ensuring a steady workspace. This potting bench provides generous space for your gardening projects. With a sturdy tabletop and multiple shelves, you'll have plenty of room for pots, soil, and tools. Personalize your outdoor space with this customizable potting bench. Its natural wood finish is ready to be painted or varnished to perfectly match your garden's aesthetic. Designed for convenience, it includes a sink and ample storage, making potting and plant care more enjoyable. This versatile workstation is perfect for any gardening enthusiast. What we like. Crafted from natural fir wood, this bench offers a durable and stable platform for all your gardening tasks. Its removable sink makes cleanup a breeze, keeping your workspace tidy. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your garden and enjoy a dedicated, easy-to-clean potting area, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's sturdy enough for the potting I do and so convenient. This is very solid and well made. It should last a long time. The drawer keeps my shears and garden gloves protected, the tool hooks on the right are so helpful, every shelf on this thing is useful and perfect for me. Number 4. Folding Fish Cleaning Table with Faucet. Crafted from premium HDPE and powder-coated steel, this table offers exceptional stability and can support up to 660 pounds. It's waterproof and easy to clean, ready for any weather. It features a built-in sink with a drain plug, perfect for washing and draining. The rotatable faucet and adjustable drain hose provide ultimate convenience for various tasks. Enjoy the ease of a quick connect faucet, an extending sprayer for added water pressure, and a built-in scale for precise measurements. It even includes knife grooves for safety and convenience. Weighing only around 22 to 23 pounds, its folding legs make it incredibly portable. It's perfect for taking on trips or storing away neatly when not in use. Ideal for picnics, camping, and fishing, this table is also perfect for cleaning fish, meats, fruits, and vegetables. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or vendor. What we like. Built with a premium HDPE tabletop and sturdy steel legs, this table is designed for longevity and heavy use. The portable folding design makes it incredibly convenient for any outdoor adventure. If you're an avid angler or outdoors enthusiast who needs a reliable and easy-to-transport cleaning station, this table is an excellent companion for your trips. What people say. This is a high table so that you can stand straight up while cleaning your fish without killing your back. Easy to assemble in about 5 minutes. Easy to move around. Not heavy but well built. The ability to add running water cannot be underestimated. His supplies for cleaning are in one location and can conveniently be left in place or quickly packed for a trip. Number 3. Flash Furniture Wesley Portable Fish Cleaning Table. Introducing the Flash Furniture Wesley Portable Fish Cleaning Table, your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. It's designed for convenience, whether you're camping, fishing, or just need a handy wash station. No more running back to the RV. This table brings essential washing facilities right to your campsite. Enjoy your time outdoors without interruption, knowing everything you need is within reach. Clean your catch, prep your meal, or wash up easily with the built-in sink. It includes a faucet, drain stopper, and hose attachment, making cleanup a breeze. Set it up in moments at your campsite or boat. When you're done, simply fold the legs for compact storage and easy transport. It's ready whenever adventure calls. Measuring 23W x 45D x 34H, this table offers ample space for all your outdoor prep and cleaning tasks. The sink itself is generously sized for maximum utility. What we like. This table offers a convenient built-in sink and faucet, perfect for cleaning fish, vegetables, or grill equipment on the go. Its portable and easy-to-store folding design makes it ideal for any outdoor setting. If you value campsite convenience and need a straightforward, no-fuss cleaning solution for your outdoor activities, this table is a great option. What people say. It is very sturdy and well made. Makes having an outdoor kitchen so much more convenient. Works perfectly. The table itself is pretty sturdy and I don't have any problems with it shaking or leaning. Number 2. Hally Sinks and Tables Stainless Steel Prep Table. Introducing a robust stainless steel table designed for your prep and work needs. Its durable construction ensures longevity in any demanding environment. Customize your workspace with an adjustable undershelf and legs to match your preferred height. Non-slip feet provide excellent stability for safe operation. This table is perfect for a wide range of applications. Use it in your kitchen, garage, workshop, restaurant, or any commercial space needing a reliable work surface. Enjoy generous storage with a high-capacity top shelf and a sturdy undershelf. It easily accommodates microwaves, kitchen tools, and other essentials. Crafted from NSF-certified stainless steel with a polished finish, it offers superior rust and corrosion resistance. Cleaning is a breeze with just a simple wipe. We stand by the quality of our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-hour customer support and 30-day refund policy. What we like. Constructed from durable, NSF-certified stainless steel, this heavy-duty table provides a robust and hygienic workspace. The adjustable undershelf allows for customizable storage, and its high weight capacity makes it incredibly versatile. If you need a reliable, easy-to-clean, and spacious work surface for commercial or home use, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. Very easy to assemble and was all together in about 10 minutes. The wheels roll and lock great and are not cheap or flimsy. NSF rated. Number 1. Portable picnic and fillet table with sink. This portable table with a flexible faucet makes cleaning your catch easy and mess-free. It's perfect for picnics, camping, fishing, and any outdoor activity with loved ones. Constructed with high-quality, durable materials, including a food-grade HDPE tabletop and sturdy steel legs. It's built to last and withstand outdoor use, supporting significant weight. Features a flexible stainless steel faucet that connects to a garden hose for fresh water. The table channels liquids into the sink, and a drain hose allows for easy disposal. The rotatable faucet ensures easy cleaning from multiple angles, maintaining hygiene. Its folding design and detachable parts make it convenient for transport and storage. The generously sized sink makes cleaning larger items, like big fish, much simpler. A built-in strainer prevents blockages, ensuring a hassle-free experience. With robust steel legs that lock securely, this table offers exceptional stability. It's designed to be reliable for all your outdoor needs. What we like. Featuring a food-grade HDPE tabletop and an upgraded, durable drainage hose, this table is built for practical outdoor use. Its detachable faucet and drain hose make cleaning and storage incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-maintain, and portable sink station for picnics, camping, or hunting trips, this table is designed to meet your needs. What people say. This worked great for camping when we had a pop-up. You just hook up the hose and it's great. Much heavier than I thought it would be, but that made me happy because it will last long. Sturdy, lightweight, actually just right, and the height is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.